Welcome back to Boat Fishing Adventures. Out here on Pathfinder Reservoir, going to kick some ass with some walleye. Stay tuned. We're out here. Let's get it. Yeah, not bad. Oh, the trout. Yeah, net. Right here. Nice rainbow.
That's pretty decent.
Not bad.
Drop it.
Ooh, that's so good. No fish right here. Sorry.
Big one?
Net.
Net. He's right behind you, right underneath your net.
Holy crap, it's heavy. Oh yeah! Yeah! That's a good one. Heck yeah! Walleye. You got a nice walleye there, Pathfinder. You gonna put her back? Let's get him. Got it. So yank him up in the boat if you can. Let's pick. Yeah, hold up. Nice walleye. Oh, double. Get him. Nope. Got that one now. Heck yeah. Get him. Walleye. There, bud. Hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay hooked. Never know where we're going next. Follow. I'll catch you all.